See if the bike starts for me.
Your light's on, that's probably why it doesn't start.
No, I just turned it on. I mean, it comes on when but not all the way on.
No, you're right.
Yeah, I'm just getting my bike into position so I can start it.
Tie just came undone.
Oh, shit. Oh. That was a good knot, huh?
Come on, you're supposed to be the country boy of the group. Boy Scout. Come on.
Hey. I don't know what I was thinking.
Hunter, fish. Hey, did you turn your light up? There was a group of turkeys right up this trail, man. Big.
Really?
What do you call it? The male.
Yeah. Tom.
Big red beard, big red.
Come on now.
The title of this video will be New Guy Down.
Newbie down.
New Guy Down. That's it.
And bike down.
Now we're all down, right?
Yeah.
There we go. We'll get out of here.
In neutral? Okay? Okay. Sorry. Oh, the thing did?
What?
The strap did it?
The strap went right under the tire.
Oh, fuck.
If I go right and you go a little left.
Yeah, okay. Well, so far we did pretty good.
I was pleased. What happened there? The thing got tight?
Yeah, I think the strap, I went too far to his left. Like it's bumpy, so I was just trying to stay going. That's really, it's tough.
No harm, no foul, though.
Yeah, that's right. No, it's fine.
Just another new guy down.
The same new guy down. Should I be using the rear brake?
Anything that feels right for you. Basically, just try not to let yourself hit a tree. Alright, we're going in a different method.
That's why we do the handlebars, right?
Well, we ain't doing that. Okay. Oh, we ain't doing that anymore.
Maybe the back bike you could keep on the one of them, but not both of them.
Okay. We're gonna change our message. I'll try to untie it again. The oil kept it lubed.
Yeah, that was the plan. No, really. Let me pick your bike up. Do it off the back of the frame, right?
I'm gonna try it right on my pull strap.
Oh, that's even smarter. Good idea. That's even better.
That's what I did once with Frank's, and it worked.
Yeah, I didn't think of that.
I was afraid it was gonna pull this off or break something, but
Oh.
this time I don't care as much about it because it's not as new.
It's broken in, you mean? Usually we use the frame in the back, I believe. You know what I'm saying? I think we probably should walk it over that tree before.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. Because all of a sudden I came up, it wasn't there last time I came through there. I must have just come down. Look at it, snapped up on the top. See on the left? Something took that down.
You want to walk it over now before we do that?
Yeah, go for it. That's a good idea.
Don't forget your bike right there.
Come on, bike. Look good.
Yeah. I saw a bunch of horses. Some of the riding horses.
I saw Prince.
How do you get this thing over?
Just like that.
Muscle, baby, muscle. Do it, back up and run at it. There you go, run at it. Just like you're riding it.
Oh. I am a newbie, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Ready?
Thanks.
I gotta get me a battery.
Yeah, yours is struggling lately.
Yep. It's teaching me how to kick it better, though. Bitch. I love this one. If you need it. Really.
That was very good.
That means stop.
That means I'm down, man down.
Maybe try a little slower this time if you can.
Okay, will do. hard to go slow. The road right there?
You used to be able to get out that way. I haven't been that way in a while. You want me to check it?
Yeah.
Used to put you by that little store.
This ain't,
It's not easy, huh?
what?
Towing shit's not easy.
No. No, because it throws off my steering so much depending on where you are.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the bike's all about leaning. That's steering,
Right,
so.
right. And then sometimes it's slack.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's tougher than a truck.
Yeah, the first one was tied to the foot peg, man. I was waiting for a disaster. It almost happened twice.
Really?
Well, it happened once. Damn, man, I just want to ride.
Yeah. What do you got? Oh, that was a lot of clutching, man. That fucking hurt.
I'm actually really surprised you guys haven't done this towing shit more often. I
That-
guess I took a fucking bad spill, huh?
Oh, yeah, yeah. As far as damage-wise goes.
Yeah.
It's just a, you know, it just happens. Sometimes you just, the bike goes down a little bit and all of a sudden your radiator's smashed because the rock was the right shape, you know?
Right, right.
But usually, yeah, you fucking chuck them, throw them, whatever, pick them up and go.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Get off. Push it. Back a little bit. There you go. Oh. I'm done. One more. We did it.
Thanks, man. That was better than pushing it out.
Yeah, that's right.
Good job, Keith. That was smoother than I thought.
Boy, the Recluse would have really helped. That's the craziest clutching event I've ever done almost.
I had the thought right away. I was like, oh, if he only had a Recluse, that'd be bigger. Alright, I need you to tell me what I need to order.
It's that case cover right there.
Just that it?
That's it.
Just the one case cover, okay.
I got it, man. I'll pay for it.
No.
No, seriously. I'll pay for it. Don't worry.
It's up to you. I don't mind. I mean, I told you you could use the bike if I was.
No, man. Like, I did it, so.
I knew there was a good chance of you going down.
Yeah, that's
it wasn't like, oh, I'm really
we
surprised.
set you up.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, I'm not
No,
surprised.
you know.
But
Shit
if you want
happens.
to, that's great. Or, you know, but if not, I get it.
No, I got it, man.
Yeah. I told him I'd even chip in, definitely, man.
No,
No,
Yeah,
worries,
okay.
man.
I don't think it's
I
going to
just
be a
want
lot of money.
It's not.
Yeah. I think more importantly is, can one of you put it on?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
As long as you can.
Not me, man.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, it's no fun. It's just these bolts, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
You don't have to drain the oil and all that?
Well, the oil's
Oil's
already
already
drained.
Oh, okay. You took care of that, did we?
Yep, so we'll have to, you know,
All right. I'll
Change-
order it up.
change
And,
the cover and
Hopefully for next weekend, man. You're going to come back.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You guys should go ride, man. You know?
Do you want to ride for a while?
I would love to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do me a favor. Can you
Yep.
just push that into the shed?
Hell yeah.
Sure.
Right this way. Now I'm going to move my bike. It's in back behind that tree there.
There's a Monster or a cold beer or a
Oh, yeah.
Red Bull in there if you want. You want to have one for
Yeah, yeah. I would really like that.
Heavier than I thought it was, man.
It comes over that tree. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The motor helps.
Yeah. Yeah, when you have that, it's a little lighter. It shouldn't be a hard part to get.
It's not.
It's a Yamaha.
You can look into too. An option is an almost indestructible one that they make.
Really?
A few of them,
Upgraded,
like
you
a
mean?
billet. Well, let's look into it.
Okay.
Like the price difference or whatever.
Yeah,
You know.
definitely.
Recluse makes one too. That it's just a cover.
Just a case?
It's just a cover, and it's like it showed tests. You know, smash tests and stuff, and it's
I
sick.
can't believe we don't do it more than we do, to be
I know.
honest with you. Because
But you know what?
you gotta
Every
hit it
bike
just
I
right.
had has done it. Mark's did it. Frank's did it.
Yeah.
Mike's did it. This
Yeah,
did
exactly.
it. So
That's-
they
yeah.
all do.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's just the right rock and the right.
Say, we have a beer before we go.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Are these yours now?
Those are
Yeah.
yeah. The
I'll
gloves,
get your helmet.
the gloves and the helmet go with it.